How do you do, everybody? So I've got a MacBook Pro. I think it's an A1502. Yep. And I don't really know. I spoke to the customer, but it's all a bit vague. He thinks his wife dropped it and the screen didn't come on. But now he's telling me something else, and possibly something to do with the battery. So I don't know, I'm just going to try and fire it up for the minute. Oh look, there you go, screen's coming on. Give it a little wiggle so it doesn't seem like it's a connection thing. A little tap. No. Well, that's loading, but it definitely looks like someone's had a crap on the bottom of this thing. So I'm just going to see what loads up. Let me get rid of some of this stuff here. Excuse the mess. That's how I work, messy. So I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, okay. So, oh, password. Right. Let's have a look. I think that was what I was given. I just want to check the battery, and then I'm just gonna pop the bottom off and just check the condition, and I will do a PRAM reset and an SMC reset. Like I say, it's an A1502 and it's a 2015, I think, early. So let's just have a look. Okay, so battery says service recommended. And let's have a look. Oh, hang on, just got to grab my glasses. And no wonder everything is blurry. So let's just go to about this Mac, and I want to see. Oh my God, how do people work like this? Right, let me go to system report. I just want to see the cycle count on the battery. So power. Where is it? So version, fully charged. Cycle count, oh, 1,340. So these batteries, they're rated to do about 1,000. So service recommended, there it is. Cycle count is there, 1,340, service recommended. So yeah, his wife said something about it last 10 minutes. I did actually, oh, there we go, what's it? We've got some creative cloud issues as well. I'm not even going to get involved with that right now. So, okay, so let me just quit this. I'm going to shut it down and just pop the bottom of the lid off to begin with. As I agreed with him that all the gunk on the underside, I think his kid borrows it now and again as well, who's like 9 years old. So let's see, that should have shut down. Do I have some light here? I got a little bit of light. And flip that over. That is gross, man. Let me just get my... I just grab my cleaning stuff. I'll just give that a little spray. So if you're wondering what this is, it says MG Chemicals, but it stopped being MG Chemicals a long time ago. And it's not 70-30. I mix 50-50. So I use isopropyl alcohol, 99.9% pure, with 50% deionized water. So it's 50-50, okay? I just use the bottle because it's wicked. But I buy it in like 5 litres now, and it's much, much cheaper. But, oh my God, I feel sick just touching this. I should have put my gloves on, but, oh, that is gross. I'm going to have to get a little spudger and just... I could do this afterwards, but it needs to be done anyway. Oh my God, it's like snot or something. What is it? Oh, for fuck's sake, sorry to swear. Leave it out. It's like super glue, bogies. Oh, that is gross. Okay, I'm gonna get a wipe and just wipe it off. Oh, if you're wondering what these wipes are, you've probably seen them. All the techies use them. Kimtech, yeah. Delicate task wipes. Get 280 in a box. I can't remember how much they cost. Anyway, they vary. Depends when I get them and from where I get them. I'll clean that up later. Let me just get the lid off, the base off. This is my first video, by the way. I've been repairing computers now for God, a long time. I'm about 57.5 years old, last count. And what was I gibbering on about? Oh yeah, so well, I started off as a computer programmer a long time ago. I got into computer programming when I was 17. My sister bought me, I think it was a Commodore VIC-20, and I was just so fascinated by the games. I wanted to know how they work. So basically, Control-C, broke into the code, and I learnt to program on my own indoors first. I'm not going to go through the whole history of how I got to where I got to today, but maybe another time. Let me just focus on getting these screws out and hope I don't catch a disease. Now, I am filming this just on my iPhone, and it's the first video I'm doing, so it seems all right. I did a quick test run earlier, and the volume's okay, so, and I don't know if I'll run out of storage either. There was something I wanted to get. What was it? Oh yeah, I need to plug the phone in just in case it runs out of charge. So there's going to be a bit of vibration here when I attach the phone. So let's have a look. All good? Hang on. Yeah, I didn't hear it do a ding, probably because it's filming, but okay. Right, never mind, carry on. Yeah. So I think I'm going to post this. I mean, I don't know if I've got the balls to stick it on and do YouTube videos, but I should do, because I've been fixing. I started my own company in 2010. It was like a part-time thing while I was working for in the city, doing like servers and things like that, networking, a bit first line support, but mainly second and some third. So I'm just gonna pop the lid off. I think that's all the screws. There we go. Now let's see what crap we got in here. Well, I always like to look, because you can get clues if there's like water damage. Anyway, I don't really see anything at the moment. There's some stuff here, but it's mainly dust, the usual crap. I will clean that later. I'll just put that aside for now. But yeah, let's have a look in here. I don't know if I should just try and zoom in so you can see a bit more. I'll give it a go, yeah. I'm just going to pinch the iPhone. That way you can get a better picture of it. Let's see. How's that? It's a little bit better, right? A bit more. So I'm definitely going to be changing the battery. We've agreed to that. Hey, I wonder how... I'm really sorry about all this, but this is experimenting for me. I want to see how close I can get it through an iPhone. Can I move the image? I don't even know how to move. I thought you'd be able to scroll left and right, but obviously not. So I'm just going to start by cleaning the fan a little bit. I've got a couple of brushes here, and these are, there you go, MG Chemicals, and that's the catalog numbers there. So you've got 859 and 852. Now one's softer than the other, so yeah, so the 859 is actually my go-to one. It's softer, and I think it's horsehair. And then the harder brush, which is this one, which is the 852. Am I getting more mixed up? Yeah, the harder one, this is hog. So you've got hog, which is stiffer, and then you've got, I think, horse. Anyway, but if you check these numbers online, because it was a while ago I bought them. Hang on, where's it? MG Chemicals. I'll spin it around a bit for you. There you go. So they're the two brushes I use. I just find they're good. One's a bit stiffer than the other for certain, like getting hard fluxes off boards or shitty stuff. And the other one's a bit softer. So if you look up those catalog numbers, MG Chemicals, 859, 852, you can pick them up off Amazon, or you can buy them direct. So I want the soft one, which is this one. Yeah, that one's a bit firm. I just want to clean out the fan, and what I tend to do with that is I just get a spudger or anything like that, and I hold that steady and then just give that little scrub like that, and it loosens it. Okay, and just move that across. Now once it's all loosened, I have a blower here. A blower? Yeah. This is pretty good. It's by a company called Opolar, and I'm actually going to zoom out again so I can show you a little bit more. Okay, zoomed out way too much. Let's try that again. That's better. So it's Opolar. It has, or does it not have a model number here? It just says, yeah, it does, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. It just tells you the voltage. Opolar air duster. It's rechargeable. It's not USB-C, but it is rechargeable. And the good thing about it, if I go on a call out, I can just pull that off and plug that into there and chuck it in my toolbox. Anyway, and it's rechargeable and it holds the charger for ages. I've got a more powerful one that I use, which I'll show you some other time. But yeah, basically, so I don't want to blow the screws away. So I put my hand here, double click, and just dip it. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, I saw something blow away. Hang on. Oh yeah, yeah, it's the tissue. Right, I'll zoom in again for you guys a little bit. All right, guys and girls. Right. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to have a quick look at that. I'm just going to wipe some of the dust off. I could use this soft brush and just helps loosen it, but I've also got like a little paintbrush here. Just soft. I don't know where I got it from, but that helps as well. Now at this point I don't need to unplug the battery. I'm not going to put anything metal on there on the board to blow it up or anything, so I'll leave that for later. So just clean out some of this and hope I don't find a toenail. No toenails today, please. So I'm mainly looking for liquid damage now, and oh, that is gross. Where's my tweezers gone? Not my tweezers. Yeah, my tweezers. Let's just grab that. Okay, I don't even want to know what that is. Yeah, a little bit of crap there. Okay, so I haven't got the battery today, so I can do another video tomorrow when the battery turns up on how to change it. But for now, I just wanted to I'm just doing the inspection, if I'm being honest at the moment. But while I'm there, may as well take that crap off. And I'm going to do an SMC reset and a PRAM reset because, well, his wife complained that the screen wouldn't come on, and I told them over the phone, I said, have you tried plugging an external screen in? And they got display from the external one. So it could have been just needing an SMC reset, or more likely, because the battery's crap on this, it could be causing some just weird issues, as MacBooks do when the batteries start to die and get really bad. You can get weird things like that where you won't get display internally, but you get it externally, and 1 minute she said it lasts for 15 minutes, then he says it lasts an hour. So it's gonna be, it says service recommended, and you can get that. It can work fine for a little bit, and then it can work for only 10 minutes, so until you change it. So it will need changing. So just for now, tomorrow I'll show you how I take out the battery. Okay, but for now I'm gonna, oh look, and I don't know if you can see that. Let's see, that is gross. Look, see all that? It's like, I really should have my gloves on. I'm gonna catch some disease. Anyway, so let me just flip it over. All right, so it's off, and the charger is not an original one. I don't think it looked like, I haven't really looked at it yet, but again, no, that is definitely, that's just a copy. That's some kind of knockoff charger. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use a genuine one. I'll put that aside. Let me just grab a MagSafe 2 charger. I think I've got one down here. Yep. Okay. Oh no, that's not MagSafe 2. Hang on, let me grab my MagSafe 2 charger. Sorry, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, MagSafe 2. Put that in there, switch it on. Right, let's put that in there. Okay, right, let's get rid of some of that light so you can, I want you to be able to see, get the microscope out of the way. I want you to be able to see the charging light. Oh, I don't know if you see that. If I turn that off, there you go. You can see the orange or amber light there. Yeah. So I'm just going to do an SMC reset. So hold left shift, control, alt, and then press the power and keep them down for about 20 seconds. That's 10 seconds. To be honest, usually 10 seconds is enough, but I like to go a little bit longer just in case. And now watch what happens to the color of the LED on the charger over there, right? It should go to green and then back to amber. Take them all off and back to amber. That means the SMC's reset. So now I'm going to do a PRAM reset, which is Alt Command R, P, and then power. Okay, so Alt Command R and P, and then hit the power, and then release the power. Right. So the laptop should come on. You should get a chime. Then I'll keep it held down until I get the second chime. And if it doesn't work, there's a chance that I would have to go in and disable, I've forgotten what it's called, but it's that you do it via the CRS utility or CSR utility. I'll check it and find out, because I think that's what's happening here, unless there's problems with the keyboard. I don't know, but that didn't respond. So what I'll do is I'll show you this. Yeah, I'll shut down. I'm going to take it into recovery mode, and then I'm going to launch terminal, and from terminal I'll disable the thing that I'll tell you it's called. I've forgotten, I haven't done it in a while, but here we go. Let's just power it on. Command R to get into recovery mode. Oh shit, you can't see the screen. Hold on. There you go. No, there is a firmware lock on this. Can you see that? So I can't do any of this without that firmware password, and I don't know what it is. I might have to get in contact with him. I'll try this password and see if that's it. No, and it isn't. Okay, so let me zoom out a bit so you can see everything. Here's my legs. Right. Okay guys, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause the video here, and I'm going to stop it here, and I'm going to try and find out what the password is, and I'll come back. Okay, cheers, bye bye.